Good day, and thank you for joining us in another MYOB advanced training video. In this video, we will have a look at kit assembly and disassembly. In one of our previous videos, we have learned how to set up a kit specification, which is assembled from existing stock and non-stock items. On the kit assembly form, you can create and view kit assembly documents. The kit assembly document includes the required stock components with the quantities and cost calculated in accordance with the kit specification revision you specified on the kit specification form. In your MYOB advanced system, navigate to Inventory, Transactions, and click on Kit Assembly. Click on the Add New Record icon, which will navigate you to the kit assembly form. On the type of operation, you have two options. Production, the document records the kit assembly, and disassembly, the document records the kit disassembly. In this scenario, we will select production. Select your inventory ID. This will be the item marked as a kit on the General Settings tab of the Stock or Non-Stock Items form. Select the revision of the kit specification used for the kit assembling. You will notice that once you have selected your inventory ID, some of the fields will update from the stock item and kit specification forms. Select your business date and enter a description if needed. Enter the quantity of the kits assembled, and on the Stock Components and Non-Stock Components tab, you can view all the components required to assemble the specific number of kits. Components are listed in accordance with the selected revision of the kit specification as defined on the Stock Components tab of the Kit Specifications form. Once you have completed the form, click on Release on the Form toolbar. After you have assembled a stock kit, you can disassemble it by using the Kit Assembly form. In your MYOB Advanced, navigate to Inventory, Transaction, and click on Kit Assembly. Click on the Add New Record icon that will navigate you to the kit assembly form. On this form, select the type to be disassembly. In the date box, make sure the correct business date is specified. Also make sure the correct post period is specified. In the Inventory ID box, select the stock kit you want to disassemble. The system will insert information about stock and non-stock components on the corresponding tabs of the form. In the revision box, select the revision of the kit specification that you want to use to disassemble the kit. Select the reason code and type the quantity of kit units you want to disassemble. Enter a brief description of the disassembly. Once you have completed all of the relevant fields, click on Release on the Form toolbar. On the Financial Details tab, make sure that the system has added the number of the General Ledger batch with transactions. After you have disassembled the stock kit, the system will return all stock components to the original locations in the applicable warehouses. And this concludes our training video on kit assembly and disassembly. Please let us know with your feedback, and please join us again for more as we explore MYOB Advanced through our training videos. Thank you for watching.